Hello guys, hope you've all been doing well. So like I said, I was gonna make a Redbubble video, rather a print on demand series, and I promised I was gonna make a video on how to create a Redbubble account and set a shop. So this is that video. So now I'm gonna click on Redbubble. So this is the Redbubble dashboard. Yeah, this is Redbubble, and I'm just gonna put this on desktop site. Yeah, so this is Redbubble. So before I go on with the video, if this is your first time seeing this channel, this is Everyday Goat. You're welcome. And in Everyday Goat, we learn how to make cool cash using our smartphone with no money. And if you're interested in making money with your smartphone online, just subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications so that you will not miss out on anything. So if you're already you're someone that has been watching the videos and you've not subscribed, please do so and turn on post notification because you're gonna be getting a lot from this channel this year. All right, so back to our video. If I'm gonna sign up for Redbubble, I'm just gonna click on this sign up right up at the top of your screen, at the top right of your screen. So I'm just gonna show you here. Yeah, so I'm just gonna click on it. Yeah, so this is where we get to sign up, and you're going to input our email and all that. So before inputting your email, ensure that you click on the artist sign up. You don't want to be a customer, you don't want to buy, right? We are the artists that produce their designs. So you click on artist sign up here. Yeah, so now after clicking on artist sign up, you're going to input your email, a working email. Okay, so I'm just going to use an email, a dummy email. Let's see. So I'm just going to use the Everyday Goods email. If you have not watched my video on how to create multiple emails, do so. I'm going to link it in this video. So I'm just going to use that video we used in the email we used in creating that video. That's the Everyday Goods channel email. So I'm just going to use it for the purpose of this video. Okay. So Everyday Goods YT at gmail.com. At gmail.com. Okay, so I'm just going to take a shop name, use something. You don't have to think hard on this, alright? Just use a shop name. So I'm just going to use the channel's name for this. Okay, they're rejecting our name, so I just have to go back and fix it. So just follow the instructions. They said only letters, only numbers, no spaces, and let's see. Okay, I think the issue is because it's in all caps, so I'm just gonna use my Grammarly keyboard and change it. I'm gonna change it from all caps to something else. So I'm just gonna change my keyboard to Grammarly. Okay, I'm just gonna highlight this. Grammarly highlighted, and let's change it. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna get a password that I won't forget. Okay, ensure you don't forget your password. Use something simple that you won't forget. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a good password. Okay, no, I don't want this, so I'm gonna untick it. So when you're done, just click on your sign up. Yeah, click on sign up. So I'm just gonna do this captcha here. So I'm just gonna look for motorcycles, right? I think that's it. So I'm just going to click on verify. Okay, there's one here. Yeah. So basically, we've created our Redbubble accounts as easy as that. It's just simple account creation process. So we just created our account, and the next thing we're going to do now is to set up our Redbubble store. Okay, now you have to set your Redbubble store, make it attractive, make it something bougie, cute, mature, whatever to your taste. Okay, so this is it. So the first thing we're going to do is to click on one of the steps down here. No, not that one first. Let's just start from the top. Yeah, so I'm just going to add my profile picture. Let's start with that. So I'm going to add my profile picture. Now use something interesting, artistic, and all that. For this, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use the channel's image. Okay, so I'm going to click on choose file. Yeah, I'm going to click on choose file. So I'm going to use this. This is the channel's logo image. So yeah, I'm going to use that. So I'm going to click on it, and after that, after choosing the file, you're going to click on upload. And this is our profile. We have 0 followers, 0 followers, 0 favorite. Okay, we're just starting out. So let's go back and set other things, set up other things. Let's go back. So after our profile image, our profile picture, we're gonna choose a cover image. Okay, just take something beautiful. Okay. I think I'm just gonna use the same picture I used in my profile picture for this, the purpose of this video. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to click on choose, select image, choose image. Okay, and upload. Okay, this is it. My cover image looking weird, but anyways, just for the purpose of this video, ensure you take something classy and beautiful. Okay, so for my profile, I'm going to input my name. So just input your name, input your real name. Okay, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be inputting the channel's name once again. So yeah, I'm gonna input the everyday as my first name, and goes as my last name. Okay, yeah, so this is it. So for your bio, just input something interesting. Again, nothing too hard. If you can't come up with something, you can use ChatGPT. You can check the channel for on how to use ChatGPT. Okay, so I'm just gonna put in something simple for the purpose of this video. Okay, so I'm just gonna think of something fast. Okay, something what? Yeah, I'll come to my store, my Redbubble store. Okay, so yeah, just input something nice, describe your store. Let me just so guys, if you've not hit the subscribe button, please do like this video. Very important. Redbubble is one of those ways in which you can make money, like simple money without so much stress, without stress at all. So help yourself and let other people see the video too, and you can do this by hitting the subscribe button and hitting the like button. Okay, so I'm just going to keep it simple. Okay, I'm just going to keep this bio simple. Okay, explore, say something else to end it. So let's just stop here. Okay, so basically this is it. Yeah, yeah, notifications, copyrights, offsite marketing. So yeah, we can just save our work now. I say save our, anyway, we can just save. Yeah, click on save changes when you're done. Yeah, so we're done with setting our store. We're done with setting our store. So let's just go back and see what we can set up again. Uh-huh. So I'm just going to hit on this profile sign and let's see. Okay. Okay, since we just created our store, nothing's going to be on our portfolio. When you start inputting designs, you're going to see some things on your portfolio. So let's go back. So we just finished creating our store, creating our Redbubble account. So something that is very important is how you're going to get paid. So I'm just going to talk a little about how you're going to get paid. So as you can see where there's route gets paid. So I'm just going to click on the first option there. Okay, this is where you input your actual details. Okay, ensure you input your real name and all that. Okay, your address. Ensure you put valid addresses and all that. Okay, I want to get paid in US dollars, of course, and this requires creating a PayPal account. So if you don't have a PayPal account, I have a video teaching you how to create a PayPal account. I will link it in the description box of this video, so check it out if you don't have a PayPal account. Basically, this PayPal account can work for you if you're in Nigeria or any other country that has been blocked from using PayPal. Okay, so just input your real details here and verify your phone number, your email, and all that, and you're gonna get you're gonna start getting paid. And you can upload designs without doing this, but this is very important. This is how you make money. Okay, so this is very important. Don't forget to set up your getting paid section. Okay, so I'm looking for Nigeria here. Yeah, should be here. Yeah, so save changes. I'm just not gonna, okay, red, because I didn't input my address and all that, so this is not my real account, so I'm not going to do that. Okay, so for you that's going to be your real account, you have to input all those things and put them in, put the correct thing. Okay, so I'm just going to go back now. Since we don't need it, I'm not going to input all this. Since we don't need this to create our first design, I'm just going to go back again. So guys, this is basically how you create your Redbubble account and set up your shop. So if you want to see if you've gotten an order, click on this icon here, click on order history and input your order code and all that. If you made an order, it's gonna get sent to your email. The email is creating your Redbubble store, and you're going to get the code and all that. Then you can track the order. Okay. So guys, this is basically it. This is how you create your Redbubble account. This is how you set your Redbubble store, and they are simple as this. All right, so this is just the second video in this on-demand series using Redbubble as our main print on demand site because it's for free. So guys, we've come to the end of this video, and if you've not yet subscribed, please do. Turn on your post notifications, share, and that's it guys. This is the end. So the next video I'm going to be doing on this series is how to make proper design research for Redbubble, designs that are going to sell. So ensure you subscribe and turn on post notifications so you will not forget. Very important, because this Redbubble series is going to help you make cool cash using print on demand using Redbubble. So see you in my next video guys.